Kajing pepena yang kubur bapa nak gospel Lukas berkuat dan menunggang yang kesan beliau hadu repon kajing kaya Yohanes Baptis. Tiên ulai kan shop ne samsa haga dandut haga mesin jongi komlei bai snai tapasle yana dau mesin bakhu jongi kan bangadang pule ya kaktin ka jongi ai banganyo skeu ya basur jongi ka papasiao haga mesin jonga ayah kasih siapa masuk tu ya kakubor bapak ayah ayah mengertiin kecombe kan nom kecing kemen ya kedanu jonga maka cara ya kicat jonga ayah kabor pantai ya kecing jonga hador kakting jombe tuai baki eki baro kendong anga katung kakting jombe penkemen yang abang yosgau ya kakting jombe Bat bangan ri gendong yaka keren kutrai na sekri jombe na skap kuble cipun jisu yaro yame jisu kakte nuble naga gospel Lukas berkuat lenong menungkong kekosan beliau hadun riu pun riu dan dalam pula kisni baka Elizabeth kan yok kumlum kalaka ukum cendrang kemarjan marpa bertikur kijai jongka kilayo skeu kumlo utrai urat hek kerai laga disebut halo jongka marki layak menang barka apa ukum lu mula nak citiyo kilawan banot seri kilamun menai keteng sekaria yu dapat keteng upa jogu Henry kakni jogu kalakan ketin kaketeng jogu kan nom Yohanes kilaong haka Henry pikir kur manu-manu bakung kadai kaketeng kila penidak hau pa juku berkeli kaketeng ke bakung lo umur banai Use karya ulapan keding lik kenyapat ulathon kaketeng juku kalong Yohanes maro kilaya lemongain mar kumta use karya ulalik keren biang badwasang baniaro yang paramat dan geladap daga jinting maka kubor sepan kini ki gelap yang kelen kari rum Judea kan ubah layu sel ula berkat sepan mata ulang geli pun salong bakum ja ule ukun lum namar kubor uplay geladon batu
to have her baby, she gave birth to a son. Her neighbors and relatives heard that the Lord had shown her great mercy, and they shared her joy. On the 8th day, they came to circumcise the child, and they were going to name him after his father Zechariah. But his mother spoke up and said, "No, he is to be called John." They said to her, "There is no one among your relatives who has that name." Then they made signs to his father to find out what he would like to name the child. He asked for a writing tablet. And to everyone's astonishment, he wrote, "His name is John." Immediately his mouth was opened and his tongue set free, and he began to speak, praising God. All the neighbors were filled with awe, and throughout the hill country of Judea, people were talking about all these things. Everyone who heard this wondered about it, asking, "What then is this child going to be?" For the Lord's hand was with him.
Kajing ya roh ya me ko Chris.